it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to make a matching bracelet to our beautiful autumn necklace using these adorable check glass owls? I will leave a link down below in the description for this project tutorial. So I thought it'd be fun just to make a matching bracelet for the autumn season. I am using red jasper soft flex wire. It is a discontinued color, but you can use garnet or like a copper metallic. We have our beautiful little owl that's on a head pin, and we're going to make a loop on that. And then I have my pattern already lined up to start just basic bead stringing. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And down below in the description, I will leave links to all the products I am using in this video if they are still available. Most beads are from softflexcompany.com or their live sale. And this beautiful 16mm goldstone bead is from Beautiful Soul Jewelry on Instagram. I'll leave a link down below for their website. We're going to make a wrapped loop or a simple loop on our little eye. And this is going to be our chain. So we're just going to slide it through our tool and just give it a gentle squeeze. And you can make your own head pins, eye pins, and even jump rings out of soft flex craft wire. If you wanted to use the copper color, that would really fit into this design. So we just take our round nose pliers and we want to make sure that our loop is secure and completely closed. We're just going to set our little belt off to the side, and this will be the charm at the end of the bracelet. Since I have my pattern already lined out on my bead mat, I'm just going to be working off the spool of soft flex. This just acts as a bead stamp. Just love this goldstone bead. So I wanted to make it the center of my design, and it's just full of sparkle. So goldstone is a man-made gemstone or stone, and it is just glass with little specks of copper inside, and that's what gives it the shimmer. It also comes in blue goldstone with the little purple flakes and green goldstone. And it's just perfect for all autumn creations, and it would look really well with tiger's eye as well. Let me get my socklettes, and then we're just going to add on our beads in a similar pattern to match the necklace. And with these little daisy spacers, they are check glass, and I love stacking them together. It just gives it a nice little metal embellishment to your project. So we're just going to add on all the beads until we reach the desired length of our project and attach our clasp. All the beads added onto our soft flex wire. I'm going to be using 4 2x2s to attach it to a clasp. Just because the goldstone has a little bit of a weight to it, so this just acts as extra security for the bracelet. So we're going to slide on 2 of our 2x2s and 1 6mm jump ring. And then we're going to pass it back through the 2 2x2s. We want to give it just a little bit of a loop so we can have our soft flex wire showing. And then we're just going to flatten our 2x2s with our plier. Then I'm going to rotate my plier and squeeze again. And this is just going to round the 2x2s, giving it a more professional finish. Then we have just a little bit of a tail, but I'm just going to tuck that under my little melon bead, and I'll hide the tail. Now, also with working on the soft flex spool is you're not wasting soft flex. So you can just slide all the beads down and then just cut a nice working length to add your clasp on. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Add our 2 2x2s and our 6mm jump ring. And then we're going to pass back through. We want to make sure that our loops are fairly the same size. We're going to flatten the 2x2s and rotate. And you can just leave them flat with the first squish if you want to. I just like to round them. It just kind of makes them look more like a little gold bead. Beautiful little bracelet full of sparkle and autumn color. Now we're just going to attach our little loop. The reason why I like attaching them to jump rings as well is if I ever find a clasp that I like in the future, I can always just change out the clasp without having to restring the whole project. So we're going to open up our jump ring and attach our little ball and give it a close. So we have our beautiful little bracelet. You could also make this as another charm on the other side if you wanted to. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for items used in this video